Hi guys, and welcome to this C tutorial on augmented assignment operators, in which first we will learn the concept of these operators and then we will write the code for these operators and test the results as well. So let's begin. These are the variables A, B and C along with the given values which we will be using in this tutorial. And this is the list of augmented assignment operators that we will learn in this tutorial. So first operator is simple assignment operator. The expression for this operator is C is equal to A plus B, which means that the output is always on the left side. So if we put the values of A plus B, we have 6 plus 3. And the result is going to be 9, which will be assigned to variable C. And it will override the previous value of the C, which was 2. Now moving on to the next operator, which is add and assign. The expression for that is C plus equal A, and it has the same effect as C is equal to C plus A. If we put the values of C and A into this expression, the result of it will be assigned to this variable C. And the value of variable C, which is on the left side, will always get updated. And very similar to add and assign, we have the rest of the variables, subtract and assign, with only the difference of minus rather than plus. And in multiply and assign, we only have the difference of multiply. Then very similarly, we have divide and assign, and remainder or modulus and assign. Now let's move on to the coding part. Here I have written the title of this task as a comment line. And first I am going to include the standard input output library. So I have written hash include stdio.h, and then I'm writing the main function, which is int main, and at the end of the line we always write return 0. And in this block first I am writing a comment defining variables. So first we have the general variables a and b, and I'm assigning the value a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3. And then we have specific variables for the assignment operators. And first we have simple assignment operators. So I am defining here simple assign, and I am assigning a value of 2 to this. And now let's write here simple assign, and I am writing here a plus b. So simple assign is equal to a plus b. That's what we have learned in the earlier part of this video. And this is our very first assignment operator, and I'm writing here simple assignment. And now let's print the value of it. So I'm writing here printf, and in between these brackets and inverted commas I'm writing the value of the simple assign is %d. I'm writing here %d because it is the format specifier of the integer data type. And now let's run this code. And as you can see, the value of simple assign is 9. So we know that 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Although we have assigned the value of 2 to it, but it has been updated, which we have learned in the earlier part of this video. And now moving on to the second operator, which is add and assign. So I have defined a variable add assign and assign a value of 2 to it. So I am going to write here add assign plus equal a. And now let's print the value of it. For that I am writing here the value of add assign is %d, and I'm calling the same variable here add assign. And here I am writing the comment as well. This is add and assignment operator. Now let's run this code, and the value is printed on the same line. In order to move to the next line, we have to type here \n, and now let's run this code again. And as you can see, it is expected the value is 8. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, and the value of add assign has been updated from 2 to 8. And similarly, we have the rest of the assignment operator. We have subtract assign. So it is giving us an error because I have not defined it here. So we always have to define the variable first and then we have to use it. I have defined it above, and now the error has been removed. I have assigned all the assignment operator the value of 2. And now let's print the value of it. So I'm writing here the value of the subtract assign operator is %d, and I'm going to call the same variable here by using the format specifier, which is %d. And I am going to write the comment here subtract and assign. And now let's run this code. The expression for this is going to be 2 minus 6 and the result should be minus 4, and it is minus 4. And the value of subtract assign has been updated now. And likewise, we have the operators for multiply and divide. So I am going to write those operators here. Multiply, assign is equal to 2. And similarly, we have the divide assign as well. So I am writing here divide assign and I'm assigning the value of 2 to it. And now I'm increasing the speed of the video because these are almost the similar steps other than this static operator, because we use static for multiplication. If we run this code and the value is as expected, 6 multiplied by 2, it is 12. And now we are only left with divide and assign. So I am quickly doing all of these steps here. For division we use forward slash. So I am going to replace static with the forward slash. And now let's run this code. And the result is as expected. And now we are only left with the remainder. For remainder, we are going to use the symbol of percentage, and the rest of the steps are going to be the same. So that's how we use all of these augmented assignment operators in C coding. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.